Hello all beautiful people, this is your Alex Love. To the people who are new to my videos, this is Alex Love from Alex Love Hairstyles and Makeup. I'm an Indian girl who is experiencing different cultures through makeup and hairstyle. So today's video is about Dolores Del Rio's look from The Abandoned. She was considered to be the most important Mexican actress in the golden era of film industry. So she was very famous, and the movie is also an amazing movie, and it has been a blockbuster that time. So the look that I'm creating is from that movie, and the sentence that I took for this video is "You look beautiful." So today's language is Spanish, and how do you say you look beautiful, and how do you compliment someone in Spanish? That is "Estás preciosa." Estás preciosa is how you say you look beautiful in Spanish. So let's go into the makeup and hairstyle video now. Today I'm going to share some of the products that I use on my skin. My skin is very dry. So the one that I use for face wash is the Pharmacy Clean Bee product. This is the best so far because of the ingredients it has, like honey and everything. It keeps my skin very smooth, and also it's not harsh on my skin. The other one that I use is the I have the Sunday ritual thing that I use, the baby facial from Drunk Elephant. This is the best product that I have put on my face, and this really exfoliates, and it takes off that dead skin, and it leaves my skin very smooth after that. It really feels like a baby skin. And the other product that I really like is the Skin Food Black Sugar Mask. This is really good. I use it weekly once to take off that dry skin if I have any, and all the dead skin and everything. It really leaves your skin very smooth after using this. It's not harsh because as soon as you put it with, scrub your face with it and put some water, it really dissolves, and it becomes like a soap. So it's good. It's not too much granular, and it's not harsh on your skin. So it's really good. So I did all of this before our video, and I'm good. My skin really feels good now. So let's continue with the makeup. So the first one that I use before putting on the makeup is the MAC lip scrub. If you have seen my other videos, you would know that lip scrub is the must and shoot for me. My lips also become very dry, and especially because it's winter right now, so everything is dry. Your skin is dry. Okay, leave that on until you put on the lipstick. So the next one is the mist. The one that I'm using right now is the facial primer and setting mist. That's with hibiscus, cucumber, and fresh rose water. That's also good, right? Okay. And the next one that I use, it smells so good because of the rose water. And the next one I use is the serum. So I'm gonna just pump 2 drops. Don't need much, so just 2 drops is good enough. And I'm gonna tap it on my face. Okay, so the next one that I'm gonna use is, I haven't used this before in my videos, so that is the Derma Roller. Yay, right? So this one has the micro needles, but it's not at all harsh on your skin, trust me. It's very micro needles that really helps you, that it brings out the collagen and elastin production. It activates those, so when after using this, your skin really, not like immediately, but if you frequently use this one, your skin really becomes smooth and young looking, because it starts producing that elastin and collagen, which is actually in your skin. Okay, so we did that. And the most important for your skin is the water. So what do I have in this water now? I have lemon, cucumber, some blueberries for antioxidants. It's really good. So you need to hydrate yourself, you know. Sometimes you just have some water in between the makeup so you feel hydrated. And the next one that I use, because it's winter, I love this Evian Gold Cream. This has been used by many Hollywood actresses. So this is really good. It really works for your skin, especially for winters and before putting your makeup. You know, if you use this is really good, especially on the areas that have dry skin. Okay, I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna use the NARS. Okay, I'm gonna put some concealer now. So that's very like a no makeup look. There's not a lot of colors. This is a primer that I just applied. Okay. Shimmer eyeshadow and some white. So I use this NYX Jumbo pencil under my eye. And now we have already moisturized and hydrated our lips, so now it's good. It's not too oily or anything as such, so I can put my lipstick on. So I'm using the Chanel Deep Rose on my lips. Okay, so we're gonna do the hairstyle now. So if you see my hair, it's straight, but it's not like a smooth straight. It's crimped. So the one that I use to get this is this one, the crimped. If you see the plates over here, these are the crimped plates. So what does this do is it gives you that volume. And you don't need to do a lot of teasing to your hair. And it doesn't look very shabby also. It looks very neat. So let's go ahead and do the hairstyle now. So I'm gonna so my hair is all teased. Do I look funny? Okay. We have that.